Boulevard, sun hitting my shades. Oh yeah, riding low and slow. This vibe. Hi guys, I am Khushi. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a favorite sort of a video. These are all the products that are currently viral on the internet. Everybody's trying them and everybody's raving about them. So yeah, this is my hot take on them. I have a lot of products to show it to you guys. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get started. So these will be in no particular order. Randomly, I'm just going to pick one product, and jo bhi aayega, I'm going to review it. Okay, so the first product is this Tony Moly Ceramide Mochi Toner. Like, look at the bottle, how huge. You must have seen me using this product in my other videos, in my other skincare or makeup related videos. To say the least, this is an amazing, amazing product. It has no actives in it, so it is a good toner. This will not harm your skin, this will not irritate your skin. This will help your skin recover from any damage that it has gone through. It has ceramides in it. It has no fragrance, no artificial. It has little bit of fragrance, but it says on the packaging that it has no artificial fragrance. So yeah, this is not going to irritate you, and all skin types can use this. Like, just take a little bit amount on your palm and then just dab it all over your face, and this will give you a really nice glow. It sits wonderfully under makeup also. Costed me around 1100, I think, rupees. Exact price, I'll just mention it over here on the screen. This is a 500 ml bottle, so you do the math per ml wise. This is the best toner in terms of value. This is going to last you a very long time, and as you can see, I have used quite a bit and I'm loving this toner. Moving on to the next product. Next also, I have one more milky toner to review. This is a rice toner from I Am From brand, and this is also quite viral in the internet. Everybody has been using it. This is very, very light actually, but the price of this one is a bit expensive. I think this is around 2500 or 2700 for a 150 ml bottle. It's pricier than the Tony Moly wala toner. This is also good, gives a really good hydration, but it has just one con, is that when I used it, it did sort of give me some bumps, tiny tiny bumps here and there. So I don't know, maybe it was just my skin or it didn't suit my skin type. So hence I used this much and then I stopped using it because I realized that this is causing bumps on my skin. But a lot of people rave about this product. It has suited their skin tone, their skin type really nicely. So yeah, I'm not sure, maybe you want to consult some more people before you go and purchase. So I would not say that this is a worthy product, but if this has worked for you, or if you think that your skin is not that sensitive and your skin barrier is intact, then you can go ahead and use this. Moving on to sunscreens, I have two sunscreens to review. Both of these are absolutely viral sunscreen. First one is this Aqualogica ka sunscreen. This is their Glow Plus Dewy sunscreen. It has papaya and vitamin C in it. I love this sunscreen. I have used bottles and bottles of this sunscreen, and this served me really good. Currently, I'm not using this because I've switched to another sunscreen. But for my masters, I was in Jodhpur. If you don't know, I've done my masters from Jodhpur, and Jodhpur mein, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मियाँ होती है. Like summers, there is insane amount of heat and like it's scorching, burning your skin type of heat. And मैंने उस weather में यही sunscreen use की थी, and this served me really, really good. There was no tan whatsoever on my skin. This has good filters in it, so yeah, it's a very good sunscreen at a very good price point. It's a no-brainer. Gives a very dewy look on the face. Does not leave any white cast. This is SPF 50 plus and PA plus plus plus. So this is a broad spectrum sunscreen, and this does not leave any white cast. This gives a dewy finish on the skin. I would not suggest this sunscreen to oily skin type, very oily skin type people. But if you are normal skin type, sensitive skin type, dry skin type, you can go ahead and use this. It's a wonderful, wonderful sunscreen. Moving on to the next sunscreen. This is by Dot & Key sunscreen. It is their watermelon cooling sunscreen aqua gel. This is also SPF 50 plus, PA plus plus plus. Again, a broad spectrum sunscreen. Now this has hyaluronic acid on. And a very good sunscreen. It says that it is for oily and combination skin, but I don't think so. Even dry skin people can use it because it has hyaluronic acid on it. It is also fragrance free, so does not irritate your skin at all. Leaves no white cast, and it's like almost a cream, gel cream that it just blends into your skin. आपको feel भी नहीं होगा कि ये sunscreen है. It is that lightweight and it absorbs in the skin very, very quickly. This is hyped up for all the right reasons, and you can go ahead and use this. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to talk about is this Anua's oil cleanser. Anua Heart Leaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. So many people rave about this on the internet, and honestly, I've just purchased it a few weeks back. My skin was acting up a lot. Even now, you can see there are a lot of marks over here. So, yeah, I started double cleansing very recently, and I started with this oil. And oh my god, what a cleanser! What a cleanser! I have to say, the formulation, the feel of this on the skin, so luxurious and so uh, good quality, right? Like the moment you put this on your skin, you can feel that your skin is being cleansed, and your pores will be very grateful to you for using this, because this cleans the pores like anything. You can literally see your whiteheads and blackheads coming out. Most importantly, they will not feel very drying on the skin. I'm in fact one of those person who has a very dry skin even in summers. चाहे कोई season हो, I have very dry skin in summers, monsoons, winters, every season, every month. This does not strip off the moisture on my face. So yeah, it does not make my skin drying at all. Moving on to some face masks. I have two face masks with me. Both of them again absolutely viral. First one is this Innisfree Volcanic Clay Mask. Again, I bought it because everybody was raving about this product, and I was like, I didn't had much expectations from it. I was like, because in general, I don't expect much from masks. I like to stick to my homemade mask only. But oh my god, when I tried this, my skin, it felt like I have washed my skin after years. This gives you a instant glow. Actually, not glow, it actually brightens up your skin and removes all the impurities, all the pollution or all the dirt that has been sitting there for weeks on your skin, and एकदम deeply आपके pores को ये clean करेगा. And you need a very tiny amount. Like this spreads really nicely on the skin. You would assume that it's a clay mask, तो ये आपके skin को dry बनाएगा, but actually में ये नहीं करता है dry. थोड़ा सा dry feel होता है, but I think if you moisturize well after putting on this mask, there's no need to worry. I think use this once in a week or maybe once in 2 weeks, and this will make sure that your pores are clean, your skin is clean, and you have a happy, healthy skin. Also, it retails for 1100 rupees, and against that, the quantity that you get is 100 ml. So, again, in value terms, this is really it's easily going to last me 7 to 8 months. So, it's a no brainer. Take it. It's a no brainer. Buy it. It's good mask. Next mask that I have is Clayco. I have heard a lot of good things about this brand from a lot of other YouTubers, so I thought to give it a try. This is that brightening rice pudding face mask with, it has AHA and BHA in it. It has a grainy texture to it, like this grainy texture. It's white in color. My first impression of this clay mask was not that good. Honestly, I felt like it didn't do much. But over time, जब मैंने इसको 2-3 बार use किया, तो I did feel. But over time when I use this, but over time जब मैंने इसको but over time जब मैंने इसको 2-3 बार यूज किया, तो I slightly felt that yes, this brightens my skin a little bit. Overall, my experience was not good because this also broke me out. It gave me big pimples. But I would not say कि ये सिर्फ मास्क की गलती थी. My skin was also damaged that point in time. My skin barrier was gone for a toss when I was using this product. So because of that, also it might have reacted. And this also has perfume in it, which is why I'm not a huge fan of this mask, because most skin पे perfume irritate करता है. Most Indian skin tones पे fragrance is not suited. I don't know why Indian skin brands do this. Like if this removes the perfume and थोड़ा सा इसमें calming or healing ingredients होते, तो I think I would have rated this 5/5 part. This was like a pass for me. Next product is a hair product. I don't know इसको मैंने इसमें क्यों include किया. Maybe I was just excited about this product, but this product is the most viral one out of the all products. It's the K18 का hair mask. If you have been on the internet for a long time, I am sure इसका एक video, एक shorts या एक Instagram ad नहीं, but एक Instagram YouTuber या influencer को तो देखा ही होगा आपने इसको use करते हुए. It's very expensive. I agree, it's very expensive. But honestly, I live in Bangalore, and Bangalore ka pani is, oh my god, worst in India. Like इतना ज़्यादा breakage, इतना hard water and इतना hair fall मैंने कहीं किसी भी सिटी में मैंने एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है जितना मैंने बैंगलोर में आके एक्सपीरियंस किया है. एंड स्पेशली द एरिया दैट आई एम करंटली लिविंग इन, इट्स बैड. यहाँ पे इतनी डस्ट है, इतनी ज़्यादा धूल है, इतना ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन है. द AQI इन दिस एरिया इज ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी ग्रेट फॉर बैंगलोर according to the Bangalore standards. So yeah, I had to do something for my hair because hair is one thing जहाँ पे मैं कितना भी अमाउंट का इन्वेस्टमेंट लगे मैं करना चाहूंगी, बट आई वुड लाइक टू सेव इट एनी विच वेज। शैम्पूज हो या हेयर मास्क हो या हेयर सीरम हो, उन सब चीज़ों में मैं इतना ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ। सो आई वॉज लाइक एक एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट तो मैं खरीद ही सकती हूँ, सो आई बॉट दिस। आई हैव यूज्ड इट 4 to 5 times up until now, and honestly I'm surprised. This has made my hair so smooth, so soft, and so manageable. Like, I cannot believe, and just one pump, okay, just one pump of it will make your hair so soft. In the first use itself, I could see a difference on my hair texture and overall how my hair behaves after the hair wash day that I've had. Shampoo करने के बाद मैं on my wet hair I apply this, and you just have to wait for 4 to 5 minutes, and then you can style your hair or apply a serum or a leave-in cream as you do in your regular hair routine. And this has totally changed the game. I'm still trying out, but जितना मैंने अब तक use किया है, I love it. I can see what it is doing to my hair. It is definitely, reversing all the damage. It is also making all the frizz go away, and it also makes my hair very soft. Good investment. Baki, let me try this for more time, and then I can come here and give you like a in-depth review. Very cute product. The next product that I have is this cute little perfume by Plum. It is a variant is Tripping Mimosas. I honestly love this. I'm in love with this scent. It's wow. This is too good. How does Plum does it? Like, honestly, you guys would think कि यार Plum हर कोई Plum के बारे में बात कर। Honestly, this is not sponsored, and मैंने खुद अपने पैसों से इसको खरीदा है। This is too good. This is very good. I don't want to use it too much and finish it up because wow, this is very fresh. The first impression of this scent is that it's very fresh. It's very vacationy and beachy. जैसा इसका नाम है, tripping mimosas. It's you're chilling on an island and sipping on your favorite cocktail. It's giving that vibe. Very daytime. And it is fruity. It is sweet, and it's also musky. And everything is in the right proportions. It is not too overpowering. This is very mild also, and it is long lasting. It will last you for at least 6 to 7 hours easily. इसका जो आफ्टर नोट है ना, जो लाइक एकदम मस्की सेंट आ रहा है मिक्स्ड विथ वेरी लिटिल बिट ऑफ फ्रूटी एंड स्वीटनेस. I don't know how they have done it, but it's so good, so addictive, and trust me, this will get you a lot of compliments. Okay, so the next product that actually caused all the acne is Ordinary Ka chemical peeling solution. It has 30% AHA and 2% BHA in it. Now, I have two stories to tell you about this product. One is a very good one and one is a bad one. And actually product खराब नहीं है, मेरी ही गलती है. मैं ही गधी हूँ कि मैंने इसको इतना ज़्यादा ओवर यूज कर लिया था. I took my skin barrier for granted. As I said, yeah, right, I was in जोधपुर, so मैं इसको जोधपुर में भी यूज करती थी because उतने harsh weather में जब आप रहते हो, you need something like this peeling solution to exfoliate, remove dead skin cells and remove tan that you have on your face. And उस time पे, oh my god, this product worked like magic. This instantly, it's like a facial in a bottle. It gave me so much glow. It cleared out my skin. जो भी tiny bumps होते हैं ना, it honestly went away because of this product. It's a very good product, but a very potent and a strong product. Not all skin type will be able to take this. I would only suggest to go ahead and buy this product if you have one strong skin barrier. If you don't have sensitive skin type should not even think about peeling solution. And even if you think about it, you should try it from base level product. This is a very high concentrated peeling solution. So इस बार जब मैंने इसको यूज किया ना, तो मेरी स्किन उस टाइम ऑनेस्टली बहुत अच्छा नहीं कर रही थी, और मैंने इसको वीक में 2 बार यूज कर लिया. दैट वॉज माई मिस्टेक. एंड 2 बार यूज करने के बाद भी मैं रुकी नहीं. इट गेव मी लिटरली बर्न ओवर योर, लाइक मेरी स्किन जल के निकल गई, इतना ज़्यादा ये स्ट्रॉन्ग था. उसके बाद भी आई यूज दिस. सो यू कैन इमेजिन कि why my skin broke out. I overused this product, and you should learn from my mistake. You should not. I was stupid to overuse this product. Honestly, it's a very good product. और अब actually मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है इसको use करने में. So now that I'm not using it, you think that your skin barrier is good, and you want to improve your skin texture, or you want to get rid of tan, or you want that glowy skin, and then you can use this, and it will give you a really nice improved skin. Use it very lightly. पहले बहुत कम quantity use करना और 2-3 मिनट के लिए ही रखना and then wash it off immediately and apply very very soothing products and very moisturizing products after this. And don't use it in daytime, use it only in night time and use SPF, a broad spectrum sunscreen, the next day. ये भी मेरी गलती थी कि मैंने sunscreen बिल्कुल भी use नहीं किया था. Because of that also this could have caused the acne or whatever, but yeah, this was my 2 cents on ordinary peeling solution. And with that we finish our we are towards the end of our video. Let me know if you're already using some of this product or if you are going to purchase anything from what I've suggested. Comment down if you want me to try some other products or review some other products, or if you want a hair care or a body care video in this format. I would love to do it. I have a lot of products to share in those categories as well. And please share me in the comments if you are using some products that are working for you. I would love to give it a try and incorporate in my skincare routine. Having said that, I shall take your leave. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to also comment, share and subscribe. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye bye.